Hi, good morning to all of you. A demo on UI developer training with MindMajix. About trainer, I'm having overall 11 years of experience in IT as a front-end, back-end developer, besides approximately 6 plus years of experience in delivering the trainings as an online trainer. Presently working as a full-time online trainer for multiple consultancies on multiple technologies. I even have good command about analysis of the market as per the client's requirements, running successfully either as self and in team oriented, convert inquiries into leads and give affordable quotations. I give trainings on UI designing, Java UI full stack, mean stack, Marin stack, Python with Django, PHP with MySQL and WordPress, etc. From 2009 to 2011, I started my professional career as a freelancer by posting ads at OLX, Quicker, etc. I used to get convert inquiries into customers and clients. From 2011 to 2013, as being a freelancer continued me as a self-employed professional person and started additional working with the WA Media IT as a freelancer, which is an Australian company based in Perth, giving services as a web designer and web developer, managing with clients' requirements. From 2013 to 2015, continued as a freelancer self-employed and changed that company to app and web IT based as a website designer which is based in Berlin, Germany. From 2016 to till now, started an additional part in my career as an online trainer on multiple technologies, giving training directly to the candidates at the same time working with the multiple consultancies as a freelancer online trainer. Scope of the demo: a UI developer's role is to translate creative software design concepts and ideas into reality using front end technology. They understand the user interface design solution both in practical intent and creative vision and convert it into engineered softwares. Is UI developer a good career? In all, UI design is an exciting career path that offers flexibility, variety, and the chance to make it an impact with a job security and a decent salary on top. The future of front-end development is now more than developing websites and making them look good. The emphasis is on how the digital product caters to the requirement of the user. If it is failed to encapsulate user requirements, no one will invest in it. The front-end developers are highly in demand. Front-end developer skills include web design, maintenance, and web development are some of the hottest and most in demand skills today. Learn about HTML5, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, jQuery with GitHub. Learn to understand basic and advanced concepts of jQuery library. Learn to work on real-time UI projects for web and mobile applications. Learn to work on real-time scenario single-page applications. Learn to understand how Angular used to create web applications. HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, Ajax, JSON, TypeScript, and AngularJS. Understanding the concepts of HTML in creating that structure or layout of your websites, applying that styles to the content, and creating the precise manner of appearance of your web pages using CSS. For more appearance and responsive uses the Bootstrap and its components. Knowing the parts of front-end development in creating user interactions using JavaScript programming. Less code and more functionality works can be done with ease of jQuery built-in methods. Creating the precise manner of single-page applications in developing using Angular. Using the Angular with the REST APIs, observables, material UI, and etc. To work with an Angular, we even have to know the concept of TypeScript, learn and code the Angular web application framework using TypeScript. Add-on topics to UI developer, working with GitHub, maintaining the profiles, deploying the Angular projects with the version controlling system for each and every time of a new version of your application or a module or a concept you are going to deploy into your GitHub accounts where it can be shared to other team members. As it is a concept of UI development, or we even can also say front end development, we will be discussing the concepts of HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, along with front-end development, which is JavaScript programming. After learning all the concepts of HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, Java, JSON, Ajax, and TypeScript with Angular, you will be involved in doing the projects where you can get a clarity of how to mingle all the things what we have learned so far and develop that applications in Angular. Okay, let us discuss the concept here. First project, creating the blog post project. With the concept of UI development, blog is a personal blog system built on Angular that helps you to create your own personal blog using GitHub issues. What are the features of this? What is the concept of this project is? You are maintaining your own content, write using Markdown on GitHub issues, like a code or syntax highlighting, fully customizable, tags and topics, links, reactions, view comments, images, minutes read, beautiful UI like Medium, easy deployment using GitHub pages, instant effects on blog when changing GitHub issues, and beautiful blog code. This is about the concept of first project, how we are going to create a simple blog page or blog application using UI development with concept of Angular. And coming to the next project, here we are planning to discuss the concept of building an e-commerce application. Here an e-commerce platform made using HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. Of course, we will be including in HTML and CSS and Angular and Firebase. Whereas when you are working with the concept of an Angular, obviously that you even included the concept of TypeScript, and the template part will be done with the concept of minimum HTML and CSS. The application is composed of the following features: user registration using Firebase authentication, using either email or password or Google authentication. Good operations like you can say after logging into your application that you are either adding a product or updating the product and retrieving the product or else deleting the product. Here user can add product to his cart. Admin can edit the product to the product list. Admin can edit or delete the product. Drag and drop Angular options. Implemented Angular drag and drop CDK. Security. Implemented authentication and authorization. And lab setup. Prerequisites. High speed internet. Desktop or laptop. System requirements. Microsoft Windows 7 or above. 500 GB hard disk, SATA or SSD, memory 16 GB, CPU 4 crores. Mock interviews. Here we are going to discuss the questions, how it will be depends upon the technology wise, and how to crack the interviews. A sample questions here we have listed out, and further will be discussed clearly at regular sessions. How do you optimize a website's assets? What are the three ways to reduce page load time? What is web accessibility? What is JavaScript hoisting? Like this, and additional questions will be shared or discussed at the time of particular technology along with the practical assignments. Course completion certificate, where you can get course completion certificate after successful completion of your course with MindMajix. Thank you. Thanks for attending the demo. Please share your feedback and contact us for queries related to course, scope, schedule, references, cost, and payment options. Email info@mindmagix.com.